Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. During summertime, we need something cool and sweet. Today I have 3 drink recipes for you to try. 1 cocoa, matcha green tea, and coffee. Let's get started. So the first thing, I'm gonna make coffee. I need 1 tablespoon of coffee, depending on how strong you like, okay? And you also use any brand you like. And I want 100 ml of sweetened milk. So I want to add a little of sweetened milk, just about 1 tablespoon in my bowl to combine with coffee. Give it a stir. Then put in microwave for 25 seconds or about 30 seconds, okay? So that the coffee dissolves better. After putting the microwave, I'm gonna give it a whisk. Then add the rest of sweetened milk in. Then combine well. And then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add a pinch of salt. Give it a whisk until it's combined well. See, it thickens and smooth. After that, we're gonna cover with a plastic wrap. Then put in refresh for an hour. So we're gonna move on to matcha green tea. Add 1 tablespoon of matcha green tea powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, and a pinch of salt. Then add some sweetened milk. Give it a stir. To make green tea, I don't want to put in the microwave because the green tea powder is quite smooth, so it's easy to dissolve. Then add the rest of sweetened milk in. Give it a whisk until combined well. Wrap it with plastic wrap and then leave it in the refrigerator for an hour. To make cocoa, I need 2 tablespoons of cocoa. And of course, a pinch of salt. Add 1 teaspoon sugar, 100 ml of sweetened milk, but add some of it into a bowl. Give it a whisk, but pretty thick. It's quite not easy when you're stirring. So, easy way to stir is put it in the microwave, but I would like to add the rest of sweetened milk in. Then give it a whisk. Put in the microwave for 25 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay, after we heat it up, it's smooth and easily when we're stirring. It looks delicious. Okay, wrap it and put it in the refrigerator for an hour. Okay, after 1 hour, I already took them out from the refrigerator. So let's see how it looks like. Take a look at my coffee float. Oh, it's so beautiful. However, you can also leave it in the refrigerator at least 30 minutes each fine, okay? Okay, right now we need milk, about 100 to 120 ml. So I want 7 ml of evaporated milk and 30 ml of milk. However, adjust for your taste, okay? And when you drink with ice, so don't forget about that too. Okay, add the batter into the bottle of a glass, just a little, okay? Add some ice, milk in. Then add the rest on top. Yes, just like that. Move on to the green tea. Add batter, add some ice, milk in. And then add the rest of the batter on top. Last one is cocoa. Do the same thing. This one I add too much ice and milk. That's why it's a little over. Okay, let's see where you want to drink it. What you need a spoon to stir and a straw to drink. The batter really thicken and take a little bit time to stir. And for me, I can drink it all day. Just add some more ice. That's it. So see this one. Oh my goodness, it's so messy. Coffee. Chicken. Okay, this is the best thing that I would like to share with you. One more thing, if you want to try my Thai tea, check it out in description box below, okay? Today I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have anything to recommend, please make a comment below this video. See you next time. Bye!